Welcome everyone. Through this video, I will discuss the revision part of trigonometry. In revision part 1, I have discussed what is trigonometry, what are the different methods of measuring angle. S equals to r theta, proof of S equals to r theta, and problem relating this theorem. Then I have discussed what is trigonometric ratios, then trigonometric identity. What is difference between trigonometric ratio, trigonometric equation and trigonometric identity. Today through this video, I will solve some interesting problem of trigonometric identity. So look, trigonometric identities we have already proved. Sine square theta plus cos square theta 1, sec square theta 1 plus tan square theta, cosec square 1 plus cos square theta. So these are trigonometric identity. They are called identity, because these relations are true for all values of unknown variable. Now, a simple problem, tan theta equals to 3 by 4. Find sine theta. All of you know it. So look, tan theta समान 3 by 4. So in class 10, you have solved it in this way. Tan theta, that is P, perpendicular 3, base is 4. So what is hypotenuse? Hypotenuse is 5. 3 square plus 4 square. So what is sine theta? So 3 by 5. 3 by 5. Now look, tan theta 3 by 4. This does not imply that P equals to 3 and B equals to 4. It may be 6, 8 and so on. So, you solve it, it is taking 3x, P equals to 3x, base equals to 4x. If we take 3x and 4x, it will be more general because ratio is 3 by 4. Now it is okay. So what is hypotenuse? Hypotenuse is 5x. So what is sine theta? Sine theta equals to 3 by 5. So up to board level, class 10 level, it is okay. But I think this one will be the correct option. P equals to 3x, B equals to 4x, ratio 3 by 4. It does not imply that P equals to 3, B equals to 4. That is why we are taking in this form. Now, using trigonometric identity. So tan theta is 3 by 4. So tan theta 3 by 4. You have to find sine theta. So if we calculate cosec theta, then we can calculate sine theta. So tan theta is given. So what is cosec square theta? Cosec square theta 1 plus cot square theta. So 1 plus cot square theta, 4 by 3 whole square. So this is 25 by 9. So what is cosec theta? Cosec theta equals to plus minus 5 by 3. So what is sine theta? Sine theta equals to 3 by 5. Using identity, we can solve it. So sine theta plus minus 3 by 5. So it is the best way, because you learn later trigonometric ratios may be negative. You learn later that in first quadrant up to 10 we are taking only first quadrant 0 to pi by 2. You learn later in second, third and fourth trigonometric ratios for some trigonometric function may be negative or positive. So if it is lies in first quadrant, theta lies in first quadrant, we take 3 by 5. This is up to class 10. So this is the simplest problem. So listen, you know it. So tan theta equals to 3 by 4, find sine theta. We do not use this process. P equals to 3, B equals to 4, A equals to 5. So sine theta equals to 3 by 5. You can write directly sine theta 3 by 5, no harm. But you do not write P equals to 3, B equals to 4. You may use this method or using identity. So this is the basic one. Now, write a problem. Prove that tan theta plus sec theta minus 1 by tan theta minus sec theta plus 1 equals to 1 plus sine theta by cos theta. This is also very popular problem of class 10. So you can solve it by different ways. So writing it in terms of sine and cos, then simplifying, you may get this result. But the easiest method is, look, so 1, this is LHS. For 1, we use trigonometric identity using tan and sec. So, what is trigonometric identity? Sec theta. Sec square theta minus tan square theta. So 1 is replaced by sec square theta minus tan square theta, since this is of the form tan and sec. But remember, in denominator we do not put 1 equals to this. So our main aim will be factorize the numerator, then cancelling the denominator. So look, tan theta plus sec theta, this one unchanged, this is sec theta minus plus tan theta, sec theta minus tan theta by tan theta minus sec theta plus 1. So sec theta plus tan theta common. So what we are getting? We are getting 1 minus sec theta plus tan theta. This one is common, 1 minus sec theta plus tan theta. So tan theta minus sec theta plus 1. So this is our main aim, to cancel the denominator. So what we are getting? Sec theta plus tan theta. So writing it in terms of sine and cos, cos theta LCM 1 plus sine theta. So this is RHS. This is the easiest way. So 1 to be replaced in the numerator by sec and tan. Then factorize, cancel the denominator, you get answer. So this is most important problem of class 10, and I think this is the easiest process. You can also solve it by different method. Now we consider two similar problems. 3 into cos to the power 4 alpha plus sine to the power 4 alpha. 2 into cos to the power 6 alpha plus sine to the power 6 alpha. What is the final value? And Tn cos to the power n theta sine to the power n theta. Prove that 2t6, 3t4 plus 1 equals to 0, 6t10, 15t8 plus 10t6 minus 1 equals to 0. This is also most important problem. So look, we know sine square theta plus cos square theta equals to 1. Sine square theta plus cos square theta equals to 1. But sine to the power 4, cos to the power 4, this is not true. This is 2, both are 2, then it is 1. This is not 1. Some students write that if these power are same, this is 1. Sine to the power 6 theta, cos to the power 6 theta, 1. But this is not true. So, mind it. Now, if even power, if it is even power 4, 6, then look, we have already solved this type of problem. This is in class 10. So, cos to the power 4 alpha, sine to the power 4 alpha. So, our main aim is to use the result sine square theta, cos square theta 1. So, we can write it cos square alpha whole square, sine to the power sine square alpha whole square. So, this is a square plus b square. A plus b whole square minus 2ab. 2ab. So, 1 minus 2 sine square alpha cos square alpha. So, we can write this result as 1 minus 2 sine square alpha cos square alpha. We use this result directly. Similarly, cos to the power 6 theta, cos to the power 6 alpha, sine to the power 6 alpha. So, this is cos square alpha whole cube, sine square alpha whole cube, a cube plus b cube. So, this one is a plus b whole cube, a cube plus b cube, a plus b whole cube minus 3ab into a plus b. So, this is 1 minus 3 sine square alpha cos square alpha. In class 11, we always use if cos to the power 6 plus sine to the power 6, 1 minus 3 sine square alpha cos square alpha. And if it is 4, 1 minus this. So, we use this result. Now, problem number 3. So, problem number 3. Cos to the power n theta, sine to the power n theta. So, problem number 3. So, cos to the power n theta, Tn equals to cos to the power n theta, sine to the power n theta. So, what is T6? Cos to the power 6 theta, sine to the power 6 theta. So, 1 minus 3 sine square theta, cos square theta. So, we have already proved it. So, what is T4? Cos to the power 4 theta, n is replaced by 4, sine to the power 4 theta. 1 minus 2 sine square theta, cos square theta. So, T6, T4. So, put the values. So, problem number 1. LHS 2 into T6. T6, what is T6? 1 minus 3 sine square theta cos square theta. 2 into T6. 3 into T4, what is T4? 1 minus 2 sine square theta cos square theta plus 1. Listen, T6, T4, put value, and if we simplify, we get 6 sine square theta cos square theta, and this is plus 6 sine square theta cos square theta. So 2 minus 3 plus 1 equals to 0. This one and this one cancel out. So if it is even 2, 4, 6, we can simplify. If it is odd, you can simplify. If it is T5, it is not possible to simplify. Now, problem number 2. So this is problem number 2. Problem of IIT. So look, T10 and this is T8 and this is T6. So we know value up to 6, power 6. But T10 is, we do not know T10. T8 also. So look, T10 minus T8. We calculate T10 minus T8. So what is T10? Cos to the power 10 theta, sine to the power 10 theta, cos to the power 8 theta, sine to the power 8 theta. So this is cos to the power 8 theta common, cos square theta minus 1, sine to the power 8 theta common, sine square theta minus 1. So minus cos square theta minus 1 minus sine square theta. So cos to the power 8 sine square theta, sine to the power 8 cos square theta, with a negative also. So taking minus sine square theta cos square theta common, so this is cos to the power 6 theta, sine to the power 6 theta. Now it is well known value. So sine to the power 2 theta cos to the power 2 theta, 1 minus 3 sine square theta cos square theta. So T10, T8. Difference, if it is 10, this is 8. We can simplify. Similarly, T10 minus T6, we calculate. T10 minus T6. Then T8 minus T6. T8 cos to the power 8 theta, sine to the power 8 theta, cos to the power 6 theta, sine to the power 6 theta. So cos square theta, cos to the power 6 theta common, cos square theta minus 1. Then cos to the power sine to the power 6 theta common, sine square theta minus 1. Sine to the power, this is plus obviously. So minus sine square theta cos to the power 6 theta, minus sine to the power 6 theta cos square theta. So minus sine square theta cos square theta common, cos to the power 4 theta, sine to the power 4 theta. So minus sine square theta common, minus sine square theta. This is this. Cos to the power 4 theta, sine to the power 4 theta. We always write directly, this is 1 minus 2 sine square theta cos square theta. Now, problem number 3, second part. Look, problem number second part. So 6 T10 minus 15 T8, 10 T6 minus 1. So we know T10 minus T8. So look, T10 minus T8. Now it is 15. So this is minus 9 into T8 minus T10, T6. So this step is important. T10 minus T8, 6. So 6 T8 and it is 15. So minus 9 T8. So 15 is balance, minus T6. So plus 9 T6. This is T6 minus 1. Now what is value of T10 minus T8? Minus sine square theta cos square theta. 1 minus 3 sine square theta cos square theta. Minus 9 minus sine square theta cos square theta. 1 minus 2 sine square theta cos square theta. And what is T6? T6 means sine to the power 6 theta cos to the power 6 theta. So we have already proved this one is equal to and minus 1. Now simplify. So this is minus 6 sine square theta cos square theta plus 18 sine to the power 4 theta cos to the power 4 theta minus 6, this is plus 18, minus 9 sine square minus plus 9 sine square theta cos square theta, and this minus is plus minus, this minus and this minus is plus, then it is multiplied by minus. So minus 18 sine to the power 4 theta cos to the power 4 theta, and 1 cancel, minus 3 sine square theta cos square theta. So 18 cancel. 6 minus 3, this is 9, this is plus 9. So answer is 0. So look it again. So final answer is 0. Now look, this is T10. T10 means sine to the power 10 plus cos to the power 10 theta. So look, you cannot calculate this one. So we are able to calculate up to power 6. That is why look, T10 is present, we are taking T10 minus T8. T8 minus T6. Then adjust the power. 6 T10, 6 T10. 6 and this is 9. 9 T6 plus T6, 10 6. Put the value and we get value as 0. Next, now how to find minimum value, maximum and minimum value. So 6 tan square theta, 4 cot square theta. Look, they are reciprocal. Cosec theta plus sine theta. 4 sine square theta. 9 cosec square theta. Cos square theta plus sine square theta. Now look, if we get in equation like this, x greater than equals to 2 means in real line, this is 1, this is 2. So x greater than equals to 2. Greater than equals to 2. Figure will be like this. So this implies minimum value. It starts from here and can go up to infinity. So what is minimum value? Minimum value is 2. So if we get greater than in equation, we get minimum value. But look, if we get less than in equation, x less than equals to 2, it can go up to negative infinity. So 2 and less than 2. So maximum x equals to 2. This is minimum x equals to 2. So this will be our main idea. So for less than in equation, we get maximum value. For greater than in equation, we get minimum value. Now problem number 1. Suppose x equals to this expression as x, 6 tan square theta plus 4 cos square theta. So look, they are reciprocal value. So it is 4 tan theta whole square, 2 cot theta whole square. So a square plus b square. We can write it a minus b whole square plus 2ab, 2 into 4 tan theta into 2 cot theta. So a square plus b square, a minus b whole square, 2ab. Now finally 4 tan theta minus 2 cot theta whole square plus 16 tan theta cot theta cancel. Now this is square number. Its value is 0. If 4 tan theta minus 2 cot theta equals to 0, then its value is 0. If this equals to this, then it is 0. If it is 0, then value is 16. And square term is always positive. If it is non-zero, then it is greater than 0. So greater than equals to 16. Since 4 tan theta minus 2 cot theta whole square greater than equals to 0. Square term is always positive and it is 0 when a equals to b. So we are getting greater than in equation. So x minimum equals to 16. So what is minimum value? Minimum value is 16. X minimum is 16. Now look, they are of same type. This is 9. Cosec, sine, they are reciprocal. Sine, cosec, they are reciprocal value. Now you may say, we can also use this formula, 4 tan theta a plus b whole square minus 2ab. So 4 tan theta plus 2 cot theta whole square minus 16. So it is 0, then it is minus 16. If it is non-zero, then it may be 1, then minus 15. You can say that it is greater than 16 in all possible cases, or less than 16 in all possible cases, because it is minus. That is why for a square plus b square, we do not use a plus b whole square, because this one is negative. That is why for this type of problem, reciprocal tan and cot, then we use always a minus b whole square plus 2ab. Then it is plus 16, so no confusion. You can write it is greater than equals to 16. But if it is minus, you cannot conclude it. It is true for all cases. So 1, 2 and 3, they are of same type. You can also solve it to to find minimum value, we can also solve it by using a result m greater than gm. This is arithmetic. Arithmetic a and b. If a and b are two numbers, then m means average, a plus b by 2. Gm means root over ab. So this is result is m greater than equals to gm. This is result of series. So if they are reciprocal, you can also use this method. Look, this is a and this is b. So a equals to 16 tan square theta and b equals to 4 cot square theta. So what is am? Am greater than equals to gm implies 16 tan square theta 4 cot square theta by 2 greater than equals to 16 tan square theta 4 cot square theta. M greater than equals to gm. This is obviously root over. So 16 tan square theta plus 4 cot square theta greater than equals to this cancel. 64 square root is 8. So 2 into 8. This 2, this 8. So greater than equals to 16. So minimum value is 16. So if they are reciprocal, you can also use this result. This is result, important result of series. Arithmetic series, geometric series. AM, sum by 2, gm root over AB. For 3 numbers, ABC, this is a plus b plus c by 3 and gm is cube root of ABC. So problem number 1, 2, 3, they are of same type. Then problem number 4. Problem number 4. Find the minimum value of cos square theta plus sin square theta. So cos square theta, they are not reciprocal. So we want to express it in terms of single trigonometric ratio. 1 minus cos square theta whole square. Now this is cos square theta 1 minus 2 cos square theta plus cos to the power 4 theta. So cos to the power 4 theta minus cos square theta plus 1. So now we want to express it in terms of square number. So this is cos square theta whole square. 2 cos square theta. To make it cos square, make it half. 1 by 2 whole square. So 1 minus 1 by 4. This is extra, this one is balance. So cos square theta minus half whole square plus 3 by 4 plus 3 by 4. Now this is square number. Obviously this is positive. So if it is 0, then value is 3 by 4. So this is greater than equals to 3 by 4. If it is 0, then 3 by 4. For 0, you get minimum value. So minimum value is 3 by 4. What is minimum value? Minimum value is 3 by 4. Minimum value of A. What is minimum value? 3 by 4. So, today through this video, I have discussed how to find minimum value of trigonometric expression. Then, using trigonometric expression, I have solved 3 important problems. In the next revision class, I will solve some typical problem of trigonometry. Thank you for today.